I had to do this morning. This felt right in my spirit. So I started my day by making a meme. A lot of people out in the world be commenting about how we need to take comics. We need to take politics out of comics. And where is it? There it is. And right here. This is I don't want to say buddy, but this is a guy I know, JT. He's good people. He just wants good stories being told. A lot of this social shit is just kind of getting on his nerves. And to be honest, it's to a degree getting annoying to a lot of people. So, but I decided to make a meme to cover this for the future. Just like I don't want to have to type this out. So I have gone ahead and made a meme. I'm so happy about this. There it is. Don't worry, I got you. I took the politics out of comics. I took out every mention of anything, of any branding. Captain Person, face to face with a bad guy. There it is. There it is. Taking politics out of comic, one cover at a time. Boom, got all the way up to 60. Did 20 today. So almost there. Another 35 to put up. And then we'll get to distributing. And then we'll figure out what to do with the website. Because if I'm not posting the content on the website, if I'm not posting the podcast or the podcast on the website, what is the website? What could it do for us? And we'll explore that. We'll explore that in a bit. But yeah, that's where we're at. Let's see if there's any. Wow, no dog pee. Okay. Let's see if there's any dog pee downstairs, or if they have just been. Have y'all just been outstanding little pups? Let's see. My goodness, I think they've been outstanding little pups. Just had like a fucking 3.5 hour long podcast. I think these dogs have just been patient. Good on them. So the phone died while I was trying to record me working on this. But we've got a couple things going on. We have trails while you're active, so like while you're doing that, right? And then we have and crash. So we have boost sound, crash sound, and of course the victory sound. The only thing that they instructed was for the crash sound, victory sound, and crash sound, boost sound. No, they didn't say boost. Nonetheless, I wanted a boost sound, I wanted a spin sound, so I've got sounds for basically everything. And I added, this is the one that was most interesting to me, was to add I got a sound of somebody actually snowboarding, and only when he's touching the ground it plays a snowboarding sound. I think that's pretty slick. It's 12:13. I'm still drinking coffee. I am keeping a really fucking stupid schedule right now. Yeah, that just happened on camera. I recorded myself spilling my own damn coffee. Oh, jeez, that was a lot. Nonetheless, I think I'm gonna pretty soon here call it a night. So, see you tomorrow. I lied. I finished the entire snowboarder section. So here's what we have going on. We fixed a couple inaccuracies. Well, like some bug thing, not buggy, but whatever. So like before, while you were on the ground, you could rotate, and now you can't. So you can only rotate if you leave the ground. Equally, you can't boost while you're in the air. And the boost will stop when you leave the ground. So you can only rotate. So these are the little things that have been fixed, and we're complete with this section. Now I'll actually finish my water and actually go to bed. See you tomorrow.